imperial units, and in this lesson we're going to look at length. So the longest imperial unit we'd work with would be the mile, and 1 mile is equivalent to 1,760 yards. There's no abbreviation for mile because M is used for metre, but for yards we can write YD for short. And 1 yard then, 1 yard is equivalent to 3 feet or 3 foot. And then 1 foot is equivalent to 12 inches. And we'll talk about what these mean in terms of metric units, the conversions, and how roughly big an inch is in metres and centimetres and so on. We'll do that in another lesson, but today we're just going to get confident with changing within imperial units. So in example 1, we have to write 6 yards 5 feet in feet. So the 6 yards we need to convert, and we need to know how many feet are in a yard, and that's 3. So we can get the 6 yards, times it by 3, which would give us 18. So 6 yards would be 18 feet. And then we've got to get the 18 feet plus the 5 feet that are there, and that will give you 23 feet in total. Example 2, we have to write 75 inches in feet and inches. So 75 is quite a large amount of inches, so we can bring that up into a larger unit into feet. The conversion we'll need will be with feet and inches. So we need to know that 1 foot is 12 inches. So we need to know how many feet fit into 75 or how many 12s fit into 75. So you'd want to do 75 divided by 12. 12 doesn't fit into 75. If you do long division, you'll be no further forward. So I would just do a bit of trial and error there. 12 times 4, that would give you 48. Way too small. Maybe 12 times 6. 12 sixes are 72, and that's close to 75. So if we went 12 sevens, that would be 12 more, so that would be 84, so that's way too big. So 6 is the largest number that goes into 75, so 6 feet is the largest number of feet we can write down. So we just write down 6 feet, and then how many is left? Well, we've got 72, we need 75. There's 3 inches left over that have not been divided, so we can just write 3 inches. So 75 inches is actually 6 foot and 3 inches. Another way you might see this written down actually is 6 prime, 3 double prime. So that is an old way of writing down 6 foot and 3 inches.